All right. So, past couple days we learned about rhythm. Yesterday we learned about melody. Today we're going to try to put them together in Songmaker. Alan, take it away.
All right, so at least for me over here in the top left, we got Songmaker. I'm gonna click on that. Got a little introduction here. Okay, so obviously this looks a lot bigger than anything we've worked with so far, but really all it is a combination of everything we've done. So you see in the top here, we have all the little grid cells where we can add in notes, just like we did with the melody. And then on the bottom here, you see like there's like two little dots connecting each other there. That's actually going to be our rhythm section. So unlike the other rhythm part we looked at where we had a bunch of different sounds, this one only has two, but either way, you can still make some sort of beat with it to go with your song. Obviously, we have the play button here. You can kind of change between instruments. There's marimba, piano, strings, woodwinds, synth. And then for the beat, it can either be an electronic beat, blocks, drum kit, conga. So for us, for me and Dan specifically, we're going to go with marimba. We're actually going to do kit. And then right here, you have your tempo, so you can change how slow or how fast it's going to be. And then, so there's actually a mic setting as well. If you want to actually put your melody in by singing it, Chrome Music Lab actually does a pretty decent job of listening to what you're singing and plugging in those notes onto your melody thing. So if you want to try it out, it's worthwhile. You got settings here. You can change maybe the scale if you're familiar with that, what notes it starts on. That's up to you if you want to play around with that experiment, and then your undo and save button.
Now, Alan, I'm seeing a big horizontal line in the middle. What does that represent?
So that's actually just going to represent your octave. So you have your notes all the way going up to it, and then right back up there. So those 7 notes are C to B, and then over there, up on the top of the line, you got C again.
Very cool. Well, do you care to show me the song that you've made?
Sure thing.
All right, Alan, you ready to show us the song you've come up with?
Oh, I'm ready.
All right, let's hear
it.
Here
we go.
Whoa.
Okay, so obviously you can see if you actually don't hit the stop button, it'll keep looping itself. So, but I digress. There's my song.
Tell me a little bit about it. How'd you come up with like the rhythm and the melody and how they interact with each other? Any ideas?
So first, for the rhythm part, I actually went back and introduced what Dan was talking about back, I believe, in the first lesson when we talked about the basic drum beat, the basic rock beat.
Oh.
So I put that in my piece. I liked that. And as far as the melody went, I wanted to start kind of lower and make its way up top. And then by the time we got to the bottom, it was like all the way back on the lowest note we could go. So it's kind of like a little arc motion.
Very cool. Well, do you mind if I show mine?
Sure, go ahead.
All right. So as you can see, my rhythm is still the same theme that I had from our rhythms from our melody yesterday, but I extended it so it lasted a little bit longer before I did that little rising thing, and then I alternated my drum beat halfway through. So I had, similar to you, I had the basic rock beat, but then I doubled it, so it went boom ba boom ba boom ba boom ba boom ba boom ba, which I thought was cool, and it gave it that like burst of energy that needed. I also made the tempo 153, which is pretty fast, but I thought it fit the song pretty well. But yeah, that's our little experiment into Chrome Music Lab with Songmaker. I think we keep coming up with new things, keep experimenting, right? You can make things longer and shorter, like Alan was talking about in the settings, and use your microphone. So if you don't really like the interface, you can just kind of sing, and the notes that come out are the notes you have.
Yeah,
and that's a fun
something
time.
We didn't even mention when we talked about it is the fact that you can actually click and draw. I'll do it over my melody here, but with your mouse, if you just hold down that left click and just start dragging around, it'll make a lot of notes all at once.
Yeah.
So some people even like to put like make little drawings in it and just see what the drawings sound like. So even if you're not really sure, like, well, I don't think I know how to write a song, maybe just do a drawing, see what it sounds like.
Alan, I have been inspired by what you've said, and as we speak, I am drawing my coffee guy, Buzz, into Chrome Music Lab underneath the theme, and that's going to be our big finale. Here he is with his smiley face and his big eyes, and he's ready to play along with his own song. Are you ready to hear it?
I'm ready.
And that's art, ladies and gentlemen. Alan, thank you as always for making music with me. And we hope
Thank
you
you,
guys
Dan.
had fun making music with or without us as well. Thank you again, Alan, for making music with me. I love making music with my friends. It's my favorite thing to do.
Well, it's been a pleasure.
I hope you guys are having fun at home, doing your best during these tough times. And Alan, I hope I see you soon.
Me too, Dan.
Take care, everybody.
Bye.